Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about TP-Link's Deco XE200 Wi-Fi 6E mesh. So friend, TP-Link unveiled its cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E mesh system, the Deco XE200, and with a 10 Gigabit port and 16 high-gain antennas. The Deco XE200 promises fast, stable connectivity, optimizing both wireless and wired device experience. And friend, the Deco XE200 with its type and support effortlessly detects WAN and LAN, enabling rapid-fire data transmission. Its 16 high-gain antennas delivers a lag-free experience, facilitating seamless gaming and video streaming sessions. And friend, the Deco XE200 integrates seamlessly with the existing TP-Link Deco series. It can function as a gateway, while the conventional models serves as a satellite, collectively broadening coverage and bolstering communication environment stability. And it comes in two versions, standalone and two set unit. And standalone unit has a projected market price of $409 while the two set unit comes with estimated price of $739 and both model will hit the market starting from May. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.